Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use Snapchat emojis on WhatsApp. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your Google Play Store and you have to download this application named Bitmoji. Once the application gets downloaded, simply open it up. Now just create an account there. Choose your Bitmoji and you're done. After that, it says step 1, enable in settings. So you're gonna tap on enable in settings and just enable the Bitmoji keyboard. And on second, we have now switched the Bitmoji keyboard. So you have to switch your keyboard to Bitmoji keyboard. After that, go to your WhatsApp and here you will find all the Snapchat emojis and you can use all of these on your WhatsApp. That's how you can use Snapchat emojis over on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.